So, how do you feel in Greece right now?
I feel good.
Feel good?
How do you feel?
How do I feel? I feel outstanding.
That's good.
All right. Next person. How do you feel? Oh, wait. I love how you captured that.
Take two.
Oh, okay. Take two.
Okay, do the thing.
All right. How do you feel?
I feel good. I feel outstanding.
How do you feel?
Amazing.
You said that yesterday too?
I did?
Yeah. I think so, no?
No, I didn't.
Oh.
I don't think you captured me yesterday.
Oh.
Just look at this.
At the dinner table we did. Yes. Alright, San, how do you feel?
Ecstatic that I'm here.
Wow, such a fancy word.
Look at this very dynamic.
Greek salad. Pizza.
Pizza.
Oh, what the packets are so tiny.
Pork gyros.
What size is
Potatoes.
Oh, it's just potatoes. Okay, thank you.
As usual.
As usual.
That's cool.
Ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Let's go.
Let's go. Just in time. Tanya. Just in time.
Yeah.
Thank you. Where's the volcano?
Gonna rest or we keep going?
Let's rest.
Okay.
Oh.
Dude.
We're so unfit.
I can't do this.
10 more minutes of this?
Fuck me.
Was that even 10 minutes? Felt like an hour, but it's probably like 5 minutes.
We're just puts back. What is wrong with you? How do you have this much energy right now?
Gotta squat on a volcano. Squat.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
So it will take us 10 to 15 minutes to go upstairs. You won't see lava. No lava. Only smoke. If you see lava,
Volcanoes.
tell me start running. Okay, so be very careful and follow me to the top.
Oh. Oh. Tanya.
I need my supper buddy.
All right, let's go. Let's suffer together. Tanya ran.
Yeah, you fucking crazy bitch.
Oh. But I mean, look at the view. It's so nice. Wow. I need to work out way more than I do. If I get tired by this, I'm trash. Just keep walking. Just keep walking. Whoa. That's cool. So it's too hot. I'm protecting myself from the sun, or I will get toasted. Is it really hot? Ooh, that's warm. Very warm. Let's go. Lego, Lego. So we're on the volcano, and there are some very interesting rocks that I want to show you. Yeah, very interesting. So like this one, this is, no shoot, it's lava rock. I don't know what's the correct term, I forget. I learned this in 7th grade science. Or like these ones right here. We can't take them home, but but yes, there's a lot of rocks. What is the correct term? I don't remember. I gotta look it up. But I'll write it down on the video. But there's a lot of those lava rock. It's not called lava rock. What is it called? It's called, no, magma is when it just comes out from the volcano. Lava is when it's inside the volcano. What do you call it when it hardens? I'll look it up. I don't know where our room is.
What number is it?
38, very random, right?
Where's 38?
Follow us, just follow me. 38, 30, 40.
38. 38. Right. Oh, wow. This is the first door that just opens in one turn. Woo! Oh, let's get kick this out. Get out! Oh, we don't. Alright. How do I turn this? Oh. Oh, Lord. Oh. It's too hot. I'm gonna die. But our view is really nice here.
It is. It really is. Oh my god, careful. There's a freaking spider right there.
That better not be a jumping spider.
I think it is.
Let's get in.
See these legs.
No. So we just settled down in our room. Rooms. Yeah, rooms. And
Our
then
little villa.
our little
This is
villa,
so cute,
yeah. And then we're gonna go find some food because we're starving.
Yes, we are.
Because I couldn't film it earlier, but we literally almost,
rushed.
yeah, we were
We're always
dying.
rushed.
The ferry wasn't the ideal. I just feel like the ferries are getting worse and worse.
Yep.
But yeah, we're not even exaggerating. We were stuck in the carrier,
the
loading area for an hour. And then right when we sat down for like a good 10 minutes, we're like, oh, we're here. And we went back down to the loading area, yeah. And yeah, there you go. That's what happened. But it is very hot. This is the weather I thought it was going to be when we first arrived. Not like in Mykonos.
It was so windy.
Yeah, it was so windy. It was actually kind of cold. And the second island too, like Paros, that was kind of cold too. Like it was cold. I mean, the restaurant was so cold. And then the third island, Santorini, it was hot. And the fourth one, Eos, is also very, very hot. But the view is very nice still.
Really
Everything's so beautiful and peaceful here.
It really is.
But I have no idea where I'm going. Oh, this way. Okay. Wow, the pool's like so nice. So we got food, grilled half chicken with a mojito. Then what pizza is this?
The Greek pizza.
The Greek pizza with what is this?
Feta cheese, tomatoes.
And the
bell
drink?
peppers. Oh, the drink. I thought you were talking about the Son of the Sun.
Son of the Sun, okay. And Stephanie, what is
I
this?
got something Italian.
Perfect. And the drink right there?
Look at how cute that
It
is.
is cute.
That is super cute.
Everyone wave hi. sweetie, I'm sorry. I can't give you anything. Oh, I'm sorry. Bye. Hello everyone, today is our last night. Oh my gosh, excuse me. And we're packing to go back home to LA. I'm sad, I'm excited to go back in a way, but sad that we're leaving. Is bittersweet a good way to word it? Bittersweet. Yeah. Because I'm ready to go home, honestly. I'm so tired. Like, it's been so fun, but...
We need to get back into it.
Yeah, our world again. But yeah, look at us packing. This is...
The whole mess.
But you know, it's been like this every night. I just never recorded it, but we both like always just try to shove everything into our... No, but usually we'll fold it. Like, Stephanie's being responsible. Like, me, this is the last night. I just shoved everything in. It looks nicer because it's the one that I folded last night. Like, I just shoved everything in there. But yeah, well, this is our last night. This was fun. This was honestly fun. Thank you, Kantiki.
And we made great friends too.
Wait, can you say that again?
That we made great friends.
Yeah, we did. We definitely did. I will continue packing. Just wanted to say a little goodbye note. While we're in Athens, we are currently in Athens. That's a show. We have a nice view here. Oh, yeah, right? Wonderful. Oh, who's calling me? Oh, it's Stan. Hello? What's up? Yeah, I'll send a picture to you. Okay, I'll send it to you right now. Okay, bye. No, Zan wants me to send him my passport details. See? He's my plane trip manager. Zan's wonderful. He's great. I couldn't have come here without him. That was a mess. But yeah, again, this was fun. I miss everyone. Here we are.